Okay, so this is our demo video that's going to show you how to add content to a web page, and also how you can edit content that's already on the web page in your content management system CMS website. So what we're going to do is, first we have to log in, as we're going to log in as an admin user for this CMS powered website. Okay, so now that we're logged in, we'll notice that the menu shows up here, and also on top here you have where you can go to the different modes to edit pages and whatnot on your website. So we're going to start off by going to the About Us page. This is the page we added in our video on how to add pages. So there's currently no content on this page, so we're going to go to the Edit mode up here. And now you'll see that these different panes show up. So we have a top pane, a bottom pane, a left pane, content pane, and right pane. So these are the panes that you can add modules to, and then you can edit the modules to display the content on your website. So the primary module that you use to just displaying content is the text/HTML module. So we're gonna put one into the content pane on this page, just to give you an idea of how you can add content to the page. So we're going to select content pane, insert bottom. That doesn't matter because no other modules are already on that pane. So it's just going to insert into that pane. And there we go. So go add the page. And there's like, when you add a module to a page, there's a container that goes around it. So which has this little title in it and extra information. So when you're in the view mode, switch to view mode, you'll see that this title shows up there. So a lot of times you won't want that. So I'm going to go back to edit. We're going to go to the settings for this module. And I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to go to leave it under page settings, and we're going to get unchecked display container and unchecked allow print. So that's not really necessary for what we want. And we click update. So now we go to view. It does not display that header. But it also has nothing in it yet because we still have to add the content. So to add content to the text/HTML module, you click on Edit Text. And that's going to take you to the page where it has the What You See Is What You Get editor. That's basically this editor here with, as you type, it just types in what you want, and you can easily edit. It's basically like getting a Word document or email. You just start typing things in. So I'm going to just type in About Us here. And I want this to be, say I want it to be Arial, or I want it to be Times New Romans. And I want, say, the size to be a little large. So there we go. So I'm just going to type in some random text here just to give you an idea on how text can be edited. So this is the About Us page for the Adaptive CMS demo website. Okay, so you just type it in. There's different options depending on your skin. You might have different styles you can use. You can change the font size, alignment. So we want to, say, center this text. You want to left align, right align. Easily change the color of the text. So we want to say, let's make this portion here stand out a little more. Let's make this blue. And let's make this bold. There we go. And you can easily add in images. So we want to insert an image. Actually, I don't really have an image prepared to put on this page. Actually, let's go. I can just put the logo on here just to show you how you can add an image to the page. So I'm going to click that off. that. There we go. The logo is now going to be displaying on that page. Right click on it. There's the properties. You want to modify the height, border, alignment. That can all be done in the properties. Another thing you can also easily do, say we wanted to make a link here. Say, this text that we already made blue, let's just say we want to make a link. Insert link. You can either have a link to another page that's already within your website, very simply by going here and then selecting page, and then just selecting the page you want to link to, or you could just type in a URL. So let's just type in adscms.com is our link. And there we go. So this is now a hyperlink. Alright, so that's basically lots more options in here. You can go right into source mode. You want to do some actual HTML modifications to the source if you know how to do that. It's not really necessary. Little helpful thing is when you're editing pages, you just want to go skip to the next line without starting a new paragraph. Hold down left shift, hit enter, and let's go. Second line, if I hit enter without holding down the left shift, it starts a new paragraph, so new. Alright, so let's go and update this, and now this information will be displayed on the website. Let's go to the view mode. There we go. So pretty simple. We haven't. You'd probably want to make fill this page a little more. You'd want to add some more information to the different panes beside it, and probably spend more time formatting it. Adding some nice graphics to your page also makes it a lot nicer. So for example, say you have some graphic design work need done, you could just tell us what graphics you want done. We can, extra fee, we can do that graphic work to you and send the images for you. Then you can just easily place them on the website as you want to be placed. So that's just the one module, the text-less HTML module. That's the standard one for adding content. And then you just notice there's a bunch of other modules. We'll talk about those a little more in another video. Okay, thank you for listening.